What's up, Grind Gang? The holidays have come upon us again, and y'all know what that means. It's time to get this money. Let's go. Yo, this video right here, we're going to talk about 5 holiday hustles. 5 holiday hustles that I recommend. So stick around. Let's get this money. Yo, what's good? It's your boy, Road 100, and I'm back with another video for y'all. Hey, today we're going to talk about my favorite 5 holiday hustles. I said my favorite 5 holiday hustles I want to share with y'all so y'all can get some money for these holidays. You feel me? Today is November the 13th. November the 13th, and y'all know what that means. Thanksgiving is coming up. Christmas is coming up. Hanukkah is coming up. Anything you celebrate is coming up. And people is in a given mood. Okay, the first hustle I want to talk about. The first holiday hustle I want to talk about. Y'all know what I'm going to say because I get money from it almost every day. It's Instacart. Instacart is the #1 holiday hustle I'm going to talk about. And wait a minute, I'm not talking about in a specific order. It's just my favorite. The one I'm going to recommend first, Instacart. Why? Because it's the holidays. People want to cook. People want their food. They do not want to go out and shop. And guess what? They're in a giving mood. Why? Because it's the holidays. And if you just bring people's food with a smile and you do a great job, and you know, where we live at, it's very cold. We're in the snow. We're going to be trudging. We're going to work hard. But guess what? It's good money for the holidays. So get your money. Oh, by the way, I worked Instacart today. Today is a Tuesday. I think I worked like 3 hours and 40 minutes, and I made about 92 bucks in the app. I also made 2 tips, a $25 tip and a $10 tip. So I made about 120 bucks in about 4 hours. So I think it was pretty good for Instacart. Number 2, DoorDash. Why am I recommending DoorDash as number 2 for the holiday? Not because of the tips. It's just because when it comes to delivering food, DoorDash offers usually the most in pay. Now, sometimes there's a lot that comes with that, but it's good money for the holidays. You usually can make about 25 to 30 bucks an hour with DoorDash. So check it out. If you're not signed up with DoorDash, go ahead down there, click my link, jump into it, check out some videos. Hey, if you need some help with it, reach out to me. I'll do my best to help you guys out, man. DoorDash, that's number 2. So we got Instacart, we got DoorDash. Number 3, y'all already know. This is really one of my favorites when it comes to the holiday, Deliv. Deliv is very similar to Instacart. You're going to receive the type of tips that you receive from Instacart because you're bringing people's food. People appreciate their groceries being brought to them, especially around the holidays. So, Deliv, the only difference is you won't be shopping these orders. You just go pick up the order and you drop it off. And you pick it up and you drop it off. And you pick it up and you drop it off. You see what's going on here, right? You're making that money. That's that money. That's me grabbing money, putting it in the bag. Pick it up, drop it off. Pick it up, drop it off. Hey, if you're not subscribed to the Grind Gang, subscribe to the channel right now so you can get all the tips on how to hustle and get this money. Now back to these 5 holiday tips so far. We got Instacart, we got DoorDash, and we got Deliv. What is number 4? Roadie. Roadie. If you're not familiar with Roadie, once again, jump down in the description box, find the Roadie link, click the Roadie link, and sign up for Roadie. If you're serious about driving, and maybe you don't want to just drive around in the inner city, you want to go from city to city, or you want to go from state to state, you want to see things, you want to make some big money, some $400 licks and some $600 and $700 licks, then check out Roadie. It's right there for you. If you're interested in it, look, hey, I got Roadie video coming out soon. So if you want to know from start to finish how to do a Roadie, we're going to try to do a Roadie trip. But for right now, holiday hustle, jump in. Roadie is number 4. What's number 5, y'all? Number 5, TaskRabbit. And I don't say number 5 is TaskRabbit as if it's number 5 literally in a particular order on this list. This is the last one I chose to mention because for me, it took a really long time to get signed up with TaskRabbit. And being that it is November the 13th today and the holidays are approaching really quickly, I'm not sure if you can get signed up and set up jobs in TaskRabbit enough to really get your full holiday hustle on. But Instacart, DoorDash, Deliv, and Roadie are definitely the top ones to get your holiday hustle. This is my recommended top list. I'm pretty sure there are other apps out there that you can get money from. And if you want to share them with us, please drop them down in the comments below. If you're not subscribed yet, please subscribe and join the grind gang. Hit the notification bell so you can be notified when we drop these videos because we try to keep us on top of all the hustles daily. By the way, this is my list, just my list of some of the recommended hustles I prefer to do when it comes to getting money for the holiday season. By the way, here's some honorable mentions. Lyft, Uber, Uber Eats, Postmates, Amazon Flex, Grubhub, Skip the Dishes. You can make good money with those two. I just gave you my 5 recommended. I hope you appreciate it. The 5 holiday hustles recommended by your boy Roll 100, and you already know I do it so you don't have to. Remember, when you roll, make sure it's 100. Peace. Do you make more money working app-based gigs during the holidays? I'm going to say yes. I'm going to say a big fat Y-E-S.